Hey, my pretty and plump peeps. Long time no see. Y'all, so I got this camera. Y'all see? So I got this camera for Valentine's Day, and I'm about to put it up, and I decided that I wanted to take you guys with me. So let's get into this video. Yeah, let's start by unboxing. I'm charging my phone, y'all, and I'm trying to, let me see if I turn the car off. Will it stop charging? I hope not, but we're gonna see. Okay, so let's see what it comes with. Okay, so it comes with, I guess this is your front camera right here, and then I guess this is the camera to look at you. I don't know, but we're gonna figure it out. And then it also came with, let me see if this light do something right here. I like do a little bit, but, and then you have your, oh shoot, then you have your stand, your little clampy thing to put wherever you're gonna put it. And then you have your cigarette lighter. Okay, because I turned the car off and the whole phone shut off. Okay, but anyway, let's get back to what we was doing. So it comes with the cigarette lighter to plug it in. And it also comes with, now y'all know I don't like to read instructions, so I'm not gonna do it. And then it comes with, what is this? Oh, this is like a back camera. I have a back camera, so I don't know if I'm gonna use this, because I have a back camera, so it comes with this. But I don't know if this is supposed to hook into this. No. Okay. So, now I'm going to try to do this in this car while y'all with me. Because y'all know I be struggling. But let me see, because I think this is like to run it. Okay. This right here, I'm thinking, is to run it. Where is that at? This is the back camera, I think, is to run it. If I want to run it to the back, but I don't know. Because I think this right here, this cord right here, y'all need a ring light up in this mug. So I think this right here hooks into this right here. Okay, like so. And then I'm going to put it in a cigarette lighter to see if it comes on. Let's see. Oh, I think I got to have the car on. Oh, step on the pedal first. Tripping. I wish this camera stopped cutting off. But anyway, y'all, look. It came on. So, I'm thinking it goes this way. Let me see. That's so cute. So, it goes this way. And I think this camera, it's like a... Also, I'm looking at me, but I'm also looking at, see, so it's like a picture in picture. So that's so cute. And then I think this right here goes into this thing, goes into this little space right here. Let's see. Got to. I want it to click in though. Y'all, when I tell y'all it's dark, I should have did this outside and not in my mama garage. Okay. I'm thinking it goes like that. And then I'm going to hook it. I don't know where to hook it at though. Oh, let me put y'all right here so y'all can see. So, oh wait. So I'm trying to hook it. Should I hook it like up here? Should I hook it like up here? Oh, stop it. Just so it could record right. But if I hook it right there, I won't be able to see. I won't be able to see me because I have a stain. Let me see. If I hook it right there. Oh, crap. Yeah, so I'm thinking if I hook it right here, but I could turn it so I can see myself. I want to put it somewhere. Oh, I'm having difficulties. Wait a minute, y'all. Wait. I got the cord stuck. Which way? Okay. Sorry, y'all. I'm everywhere. So I'm trying to see where I could hook it at, where this camera, because I can't. Oh, wait. I think I turned it off. Oh, I did. Yeah. Oh, and it also came with. It came with, that's my little ammo pouch. It came with a SIMS card. I think it's like 32 gigabytes. So, stop glaring. Can you see it? Yeah. So it came with a 32 gigabyte SIMS card. I gotta put that in as soon as I get this camera in order. So since the cord is so long, I gotta figure out a way to tuck it where you're not able to see the cord, because the cord will be all in the way, and I ain't gonna want that. So I think I'm gonna go around. I think I'm gonna go around here, right here, or either the passenger side and go around and come under and do it. So I'm gonna try to set y'all up so y'all can see, but I don't know how this is gonna work out, but we gonna see. We gonna see. We're gonna see how to do this. Oh. So I'm having difficulties, y'all. Help me. I'm having difficulties. So yeah, this is the yeah, so this is the camera. And I thought I would be able to flip this, but I don't think I can. I don't want to break it, but I thought I could flip it, but I can't. That's just to, I guess, to see the driver. So, okay, I think I'm gonna do this off camera, but I'll click y'all back on to show y'all what I'm doing when I'm done. Oh, I don't even know. Just give me a minute. Okay, so let me show y'all this. And then I got it around here. And then I put it through here, right here. And now I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna go down and under here. Let me show y'all when I'm done. Okay, y'all, so I did it. Let me show y'all. So, I go to camera, and I went up through here, so you can't see no wires. Y'all know I don't like no wires. And then I went down through right here. And then right here, you're not gonna see that right there. Because my mat, goes over it like that. So you can't see no wiring. And then up right here, and I plug it in. So I did that kind of quick, but let me sit y'all up here for a minute. I did that kind of quick, because y'all know I like to play no games. And then I was gonna vacuum my car, and my vacuum broke. So somebody send me a vacuum, a car vacuum. Yeah, okay. But anyway, that was that on that, y'all. Thanks for coming to see your girl. I've been doing shorts because it seemed like y'all like shorts more than y'all like videos. Put it in the comment and let me know which one y'all like, the shorts, or do y'all want to hear me talk on the videos? Let me know. Until next time, always remember that positivity really enhances the true you. And projecting love, uniqueness, motivation, and passion. Gonna get you a car camera like me. Until next time, y'all, it's your girl, Pretty and Plump. Peace.